Welcome back to Learn with Loco, everyone.
Max here, and today's topic is a good one. Loco, tell me the truth. If you win the lottery today, are you just going to say, I am happy?
Oh, definitely not. I think I would jump through the ceiling and scream that I am absolutely ecstatic.
Exactly. That is exactly what we're talking about today. Leveling up your vocabulary so you stop using happy for everything.
It's true. When we say the same simple words all the time, we lose the flavor of our stories.
Today, we're looking at emotion words that show the intensity of how you really feel.
Let's start with the extreme version of happy. You mentioned ecstatic earlier. How is that different from just being content?
Content is peaceful and calm, but ecstatic is like an explosion of joy. You're over the moon.
What about thrilled? I hear that one in business emails all the time.
Thrilled is perfect when you've received some great news, like getting a job offer or a promotion.
So, instead of saying, I am happy about the new project, I should say, I'm thrilled to start the new project.
Exactly. It sounds much more professional and enthusiastic.
Oh, and what about delighted? My grandmother uses that word all the time.
It's a bit more elegant, isn't it? I'd be delighted to join you for dinner. It's polite and very positive.
Okay, but what if things go wrong? We can't just say, I'm sad every time we have a bad day.
That's a good point. Sad is very basic. If you're really struggling with something difficult, you might feel frustrated.
How is frustrated different from annoyed?
Annoyed is usually about a small thing, like someone chewing loudly. Frustrated is when you're trying to achieve something but hitting a wall.
Like when my computer crashes and I lose all my work.
Yes, that is the perfect time to say, I'm incredibly frustrated with this software.
And if it's even worse, like you're feeling hopeless or very low energy.
You could say you're disheartened. It means your motivation has been drained.
I have a question. What about when you have too much going on at work and you don't know where to start?
That's when you feel overwhelmed. It's like having too much water on your head.
I feel that every Monday morning. I'm overwhelmed by the number of emails in my inbox.
That works perfectly. Now, what if something takes you by complete surprise?
I might say I'm astonished. It's a stronger way of saying you're shocked.
Or even dumbfounded, if the news is so surprising that you literally don't know what to say.
I love that word. It sounds just like how it feels.
So, we've covered a lot today. We went from ecstatic and thrilled to frustrated and overwhelmed.
Do you think our listeners should try to use all of these at once?
No way. Just pick one new word per day and try to fit it into a conversation.
I'm going to challenge everyone watching. Tell us in the comments what you are thrilled about today.
Good idea. Remember, the goal isn't to be perfect. It's just to express your feelings more clearly.
Stop settling for happy and start describing your world with more color.
Thanks for hanging out with us, and keep practicing those new words. All right, that wraps up today's episode.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.